Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to solve Excel sorting not working with formula problem. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Before trying any advanced solutions, it is recommended to once close and reopen your Excel application. Many users have found this method useful in their cases to fix Excel sorting not working problem. Unmerging the cells in MS Excel is an excellent trick that can be used to fix this issue. To unmerge the cells, select one or more cells you want to unmerge. On the Home tab, in the Alignment group, click Merge and Center. Or, click the drop-down arrow next to the Merge and Center button and select Unmerge Cells. Either way, Excel will unmerge all the merged cells in the selection and solve this problem. If you do not need the formulas to recalculate after sorting, convert them to static values. Copy the formula cells. Right-click, Paste Special Values. The next solution you can try is to open Excel in safe mode. This step will be helpful if the problem is being caused due to one of the installed add-ins or plugins. To do so, open the Run dialog box using Win+R keys. Type Excel/safe and press Enter. Microsoft Excel will now open in safe mode. Moving the faulty sheet data to a new Excel workbook is another easy trick to solve sorting not working problem. To do this, open your password-protected sheet. Select all the content using Ctrl+A keys. Then press Ctrl+C to copy them. After that, create a new workbook and paste the copied content using Ctrl+V keys to a new file. If you are looking for a way to fix Excel workbook corruption and recover all its data, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about fixing MS Excel sorting not working with formula issue. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.